Time for a new adventure, horse ride up to the volcano. We think, Craig?
What up? Going up the mountain, gonna go cook on a volcano.
Been a minute since we've been on a horse.
Yep.
So there's the crew. We're going like 2.5 kilometers up the hill, so we want to have fun when we get there. So we're doing a little horseback today. So this is new for me. I haven't done this in 20 years. Up the mountain on a horse.
Cindy. Okay. Ya sabes dónde estamos, ¿no?
Leo.
You. Let's go. Todo lo negro es lava.
Lava flow. Look at that. Okay, we're halfway up from the Pacaya Volcano, and this is kind of as far as we're going to go. This is the lava flow from 2021. We're in the clouds, as you can see, and the lava flow goes up further than you can see and down. We have some pictures I'll show you in the video from 21 from the lava flow where we're standing right now.
Ya estoy grabando.
Ya.
Ya está la cebolla.
Pizza Pacaya.
Zapacayas.
¿La corto?
Échale, ma.
Ok.
Eso. Eso. Qué linda gorra.
Ok, ya nomás.
Salsa.
Ya.
Pizzeria in the clouds on the lava. The Pacaya Volcano pizza. Gonna be good.
We're fine.
Okay, the main ingredient, the finishing touch, the Texas tornado.
Oh.
In the clouds, you gotta give it the dust, baby.
Hey David, acá encontré.
Amazing.
Wow.
Ahorita se los podemos partir para que
Pizza on the lava. With all my barbecue brothers and sisters. Time to ride back down the hill. Pizza, picanha at the volcano. A great day here in Guatemala in the clouds. Woo! Good Lord's blessed me.